Hey there! What's up, guys? Welcome to a Wednesday experiment. Today, we are making a homemade blizzard.
Oh M&M blizzard.
Oh, I dipped in my cup.
And we have a lot of snacks today. Oh my gosh.
We got burritos.
We got hot
wieners.
dogs.
Oh.
We got
we
got fajitas. Yeah, I almost got my wiener.
Wait, huh?
All I'm gonna say is this burrito or taco, what do you call it? Looks a little suspicious. That's supposed to be cheese, but I don't know about that.
Mexican roots.
Don't eat all our ice cream, David.
Stinky brownie. So yeah.
Stinks.
David has Dots pretzels and nacho cheese dip, which is like the crappiest stuff you can buy. Whatever.
All right.
I'm kidding. Not at all. And then we have our drink. So he got something. This is cherry limeade Mountain Dew.
And I just got a coffee.
And it actually, like, I probably should have done the same, but oh well. And he almost spilled. Let's begin. All right, laddies.
Why is the wrapper like low?
Spoons.
What is that? What is that? This wrapper's like
Stop eating lunch.
I'm sorry.
Well, we need to have our meal before our dessert.
Exactly.
So let's
Cup.
cup.
Okay, now how are we gonna get the chalky?
Oh.
I caught it.
How are we gonna get the chalky chalk in there?
No, yeah, it's definitely not as flat.
Oh yeah.
Gosh dang.
Hey, does that mean at the Taco Bell?
Wait, lift it up a sec. We gotta put some.
Oh, David, quick.
Not all of them. No, David.
No, I still got half.
This is working wonderfully.
Stinky brownie.
It's like,
There's time in it. Again, bro, again.
it's like a giant.
Get a good look at it. Get a good look at it.
So, where's the spoon? Where's the spoon?
His spoon.
I don't think it's done.
Okay, guys, so this is our. Where's my spoon?
This is your spoon.
Okay. Oh, you're
Try to push it down a little bit.
That's what she said.
It just farted.
Yeah.
It's gassy,
Man,
bruh.
stinky.
Gaseous. Oh, let's get these sides. Let's push
yeah.
the sides in. Oh my gosh, I'm Bob the Builder.
David.
My hot dog.
I'm sorry.
We should offer this.
Oh.
We should offer this to a middle schooler.
What are M&M blizzard?
They would take it. They would take it.
Oh, I'm dripping.
You're
Just-
tripping?
That's what
No
she
way.
said.
Just like.
Oh no, David.
Just like.
I'm just gonna.
Let's say just like Travis on Monday with this.
My spoon is stuck.
This might be the.
Bro, that ice cream's busting though. Oh, we're getting it.
We're getting good in there, boys.
Get in on in there.
I'll put my fingers in it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Shut up. Hey, yo, David.
Ah!
Oh, great
I'm
heavens.
about to be pulling a Riley.
Whoa. What do you mean by that?
It's
I
a good
can't
thing
put it
people
down.
from schools don't follow me. How long is it? It's already 3 minutes. Dude, why is everything today felt so slow?
I don't know.
It's kind of weird.
It
All right, screw it. Come on.
It feels
Let's
fast,
just
but
take it. Let's
why
get some
would you screw
M&Ms.
the ice cream. Just take a
Just grab some M&Ms.
Jesus, full as
Pumpkin
cops.
spice.
Pumpkin spice. Blizzard.
Check the blizzard. That's delectable. Especially
It's actually not that bad.
especially when you mix it too. A little burrito ice cream action.
Whoa. We're getting experimental over here. Don't
Whatever
be queer.
Travis's girlfriend's name is, he kisses you with that mouth.
Don't be queer like Travis.
What?
Be better.
He had white stuff, white, sticky, weird substance.
No.
It is burrito.
No,
And he ate it anyway.
that was cheese. That was cheese.
Yeah, sure.
Possibly. I don't know. It didn't really taste like
Queso
cheese.
Blanco.
Well, he got it at a gas station, so I wouldn't be too confident about any.
That
answer.
guy that's so nice to us did some specific activities in his burrito.
Yeah, probably.
He said meat sticks get the job done.
Not that one, different one.
Oh. Not the crackhead.
Not the guy.
She'd be like, hey kids, you want some blizzards?
Want some in Blizzard? Rank time!
Oh my gosh!
Go, David, go. With you.
I give. My hands are all sticky now. I give this 1 Toyota out of
Okay.
3 homeless meth heads at a gas station.
Go, driver.
Damn. Probably, definitely like 23 coffees out of a gallon of milk.
I give it 1 thick meat stick out of 44 sausage and cheddar hot dogs from the back of an old 1962 Chevy truck.
Yeah, that
No,
was-
wait. I give it 1 broken Miata
Damn.
out of 2.5 years of work.
That's rough.
Yeah, I know. Who would be that stupid to continue working on a vehicle for 2.5 years? Anyways,
My truck died again.
Elbozo.
Yeah. I also got a chicken fajita taco at the gas station today.
I can't finish that burrito. It's looking too suspicious now.
Alright, let's open this up. We need to stop doing ice cream. Look at the messes that we make.
Bro, this ice cream busting, man. What's your damn spoons out of here?
Yeah, so what, Monday we did I haven't even posted it because it's like so freaking long.
That's what she said.
yeah,
It is.
a day ago.
No, the video itself. Alright, so let's take a bite of this sussy substance.
Why is the tortilla so wet? Both of our tortillas were wet.
Alright, I'm hoping that's queso blanco.
Mine definitely does
We're
not
gonna-
look like queso. If y'all take a look into my burrito,
He did it himself.
there's no way that is cheese. That is liquid. Like,
He did it himself. That's how you know he knows what it is.
yes, David. While we were driving here from the gas station,
I know how much you like my car.
Well, it's not bad, but it's not good.
what is that?
I'm praying to God it's queso blanco.
That better be queso.
But yeah, guys, thank you. It's Wednesday, so we'll see you on Monday.
Hold up.
Oh, yo, that's gonna be gaseous, dude. That's gonna be.
Oh,
It's a coffee chocolate blizzard. It just farted. That's gonna be me after this freaking taco. Look at this guy, bro. Look at this guy.
That's what I'm saying. Hey, but it's a little watery now, but you gotta get the ice cream and the coffee mixed. And the M&M's, bro, honestly.
It actually sounds gas, bro. I want to try that.
Oh,
Is it fire?
I mean, like, you can't really taste the coffee, but it definitely made it a lot better.
Really?
No.
Let's get a tasting tin. Do we have any more M&Ms?
No, David,
there's some on the table, some on the ground, some in your hot dog,
I already ate my hot dog.
or at least there was.
Yeah, you can't taste any coffee.
But, like, it made it.
Oh, wait.
Right.
At the end, you can. Yo.
Ice cream coffee, we invented it first.
Since when?
Since your mom.
That's actually kind of gas. All right, guys. So next week, Monday, we'll be making a Red Bull slushie.
Ooh.
That sounds like gas and fun. So yeah, we'll see y'all then. This video is almost 10 minutes long, so it probably won't upload on TikTok. However, like I said, Monday, we're going to try to start... Oh, wait, y'all haven't seen that video either. We're trying to start a YouTube channel, guys. Hopefully it'll be out by next week. Or started next week, and then all these videos will be posted.
Follow us on Twitch and Discord and Twitter and Pumpkin Spice.
Our YouTube name is The 3 Experiments, because we're a bunch of retards.
The 3 experimentals.
Yes. All right, we have it. Let's make it. All right. See y'all there. Oh, wait. It started again. We have to wait just 3 seconds. 3, 2.